Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how you can make responsive web pages with the help of media queries in CSS. Okay, the topic is how you can make responsive web pages with the help of media queries in CSS. Okay, let's start the topic. Now you can see in my previous video, I have already told you that what is the definition of responsive web pages, what is the use of responsive web pages, and what is all about meta tag, and what is maximum width, what is minimum width. Okay, if you don't know still, okay, you can watch my previous video for that. Okay, now in this topic, in this video, you have just see that within the body tag, I have just given a h1 tag, that is understanding media queries in CSS, and these are the h1 properties of my heading tag. Okay, you can see just see the preview. Okay, this is the preview, okay, of this particular page. Now what I want is, I want to set different properties of this heading tag, okay, which will be applicable onto different screen resolutions. Okay, for that, what you have to do, @media only screen, and I say minimum width, I say let it be 800 pixels. And I hope you already know that what is minimum width. I have already told you that what is the use of minimum width. Okay, that means greater than equal to 800 pixels. Minimum width means greater than equal to whatever resolution I have set. Okay, means if I set some actual properties over here also, means let it be blue. It means the h1 color will be set to blue whenever your screen resolution will be greater than equal to 800 pixels. Right now, if I try to right click on this web page and screen and click on screen resolution, you can see my screen resolution is 1920. Okay, that is width. Okay, and you can see and this media query is telling that whenever I got my screen resolution is greater than equal to 800 pixels, your h1 heading color will set to blue by default. Okay, now if I try to see its preview, you can see it's changing its color. Okay, because my screen resolution is 1920, that is greater than this one. Okay, now if I say apart from body, apart from h1 tag, I would like to set the body background color. Just mention the body tag, okay, and just choose background. Okay, background property or background color property, let it be, I say black. Okay, just save it and just try to see the preview. You can see it's changing its color. Okay, now these two properties will only set whenever your screen resolution is greater than or equal to 800 pixels. Now I just copy it and just paste it over here, and again I say @media only screen, and let it be maximum width. This time I say let it be 1024 pixels, and here I want color should be yellow, and background color should be let it be gray. Means now whenever your screen resolution will be greater than equal to 1024 pixels, your h1 and your body property will be set to these two properties. You can see this. Okay, and right now you can see the screen resolution is 1920. Okay, my screen resolution is 1920, that is greater than 1024 pixels. It means whenever I refresh it, these property will be set. See, okay, you can see. Now if I again copy this and paste this, and I say @only media screen, now I say 1400 pixels, and I say here I would like to set the properties at color is magenta, and this color I want to set is blue. Again you can see my screen resolution is 1920. Okay, that is greater than equal to, that is greater than 1400 pixels. Okay, so it means now I whenever I refresh this page, these property will be implemented, because that is equal to greater than equal to 1400 pixels. See, this property will be set. Now what are the use of remaining properties? Now see, these are the by default properties. Okay, now if my screen resolution is greater than 1400 pixels, these property will be set. You can see this. Okay, now what is the use of this one and what is the use of this one? Means whenever my screen resolution is greater than equal to 1024, what, less than 1400 pixels, means in between 1024 pixels and 1400 pixels, these property will be set. And what about this? whenever my screen resolution property will be greater than equal to 800 pixels, what less than 1024 pixels, then these property will be set. And what about these default properties? When my screen resolution width will be less than 800 pixels, then these default property will be defined. Okay, just try to save it and try to see the output. Right now these property will appear. Color will be magenta and background color will be blue. See this one. If I try to click on this on the center button of this my browser, you can see try to drag or decrease the size of the browser. You can see changing the properties. These are the greater than 1024, greater than 1400 pixels. Okay, now whenever my screen resolution, my browser size will become less than 1400, okay, it by default it will mention these properties: color yellow and background color gray. See, okay, now at what time it will appear? Up to 1024 pixels. Okay, see, whenever it will become less than 1024 pixels, it will set to these properties. See this one. Now this one, this is less than 800 pixels. Okay, sorry, less than 1024 pixels. Okay, you can see now it's between 800 pixels and 1024 pixels. The color will be blue and background color will be black. Okay, now when this properties, when your screen resolution will be less than 800 pixels. See, these are the properties. Now you can see the tag is same h1, but you are setting different properties of the same tag with the help of some media queries. This is all about your media query for making a web page responsive. Okay, I hope you all now understood all the concepts of this particular media queries. Okay, with that is what is the use of meta tag, what is the use of maximum width, what is the use of minimum width. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. Okay, if you liking my videos, please like, comment and subscribe my channel for your support. Thank you everyone.